Think math.
Last episode's question. Between two rational numbers, which one is larger? 3 and 1. Easy. 3 is bigger. But what about -3 and -1? Since 3 is the bigger digit, is -3 the larger one? That's the trap. The answer is held by the number line. Whoever sits farther to the right is always the larger number. Start with the positive side. On the number line, the farther right you go, the bigger the number. 1 is bigger than 0, 2 is bigger than 1, 3 is bigger than 2. The numbers in between work the same way. 0,5 sits between 0 and 1, to the right of 0, so bigger than 0, and to the left of 1, so smaller than 1. How big a number is told by where it sits. Now the negative side. Going left from 0, -1, -2, -3. The farther left, the smaller. So -3 is smaller than -2, and -2 is smaller than -1. The digit 3 looks big, but -3 sits farthest to the left, so it's the smallest of these. And that answers our hook. -3 is smaller than -1. So there's just one rule. For any two different numbers, the one farther to the right on the number line is the bigger one. Positive, negative, or fraction, it doesn't matter. Forget the sign and the digits, just look at the position. Size is simply position. Let's try a couple. -2 versus 1. 1 is to the right of 0. -2 is to the left. So 1 is bigger. A positive is always bigger than a negative. And 1/2 versus 1/3. 1/2 sits farther to the right, so it's bigger. When in doubt, place them on the number line and the one on the right wins. To recap, the size order of two numbers is decided by their position on the number line. Farther right, bigger. But comparing two negatives still trips people up. -5 and -2. Why is -5 the smaller one? That trap. The one that looks bigger but isn't, we'll dig into next time. A sip of math every day, here at Think Math.